peace and love we need right now. Unite me, I beg on no please right now. Jamaica, the whole place I face frustration. Yo, yo, yo. Politician with them damn corruption. Yo, yo, yo. Them a pressure the youths with the system. Yo, yo, yo. Innocent people became the victim. Now who's gonna take the blame for all the innocent life we lost? Who's gonna take the blame? It come to the light, now it's out of the dark. And who's gonna take the blame? Politicians now have no heart. All I know, we can't stand aside and watch them tear sweet Jamaica apart. Some man a turn gun parties. Yo, 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 that can't go on, no need to stop this. Yo, 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 what at them have the juvenile a practice. Yo, 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 Mr. Jacket and tie, sit down in your office. Now who's gonna take the blame for all the innocent life we lost? Who's gonna take the blame? Life can't sweet when the youths are starved. Who's gonna take the blame? Politicians now have no heart.